Hi everyone, for this problem I'm going to show you how to find the x-intercept of a line passing through two sets of coordinates that are already plotted for you. So the first thing we have to do here is label them as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Once we have that labeled, the first thing we're going to have to do is find our slope. So to find our slope, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now my y2 is negative 9 and my y1 is negative 33. My x2 is 15 and my x1 is minus 25. So I'm going to take my trusty calculator and go negative 9 minus negative 33. It's going to equal positive 24. And then I'm going to go 15 minus negative 25, and that's going to equal 40. And when I do the math, 24 divided by 40 is equal to 0.6. So that's our slope. That's A. Okay, so that's step one. The next thing we need to find out is we need to know what our y-intercept is. We need to know what B is in this problem. Okay, so that's the next thing we're going to do. So we're going to use y equals ax plus b, and I'm going to use my x2 and my y2. So I'm going to use negative 9 equals 0.6 times 15 plus b. So now I'm going to do the steps. I'm going to do 0.6 times 15 because I want to get those numbers combined. So that equals 9, and that equals negative 9, and that's a b. So the next thing I want to do is I want to cancel out this positive 9. The only way to cancel it out is to minus 9 from it. So I'm going to minus 9 from my negative 9. Make sure you use your calculator so you do this right. So you're doing negative 9 minus 9 equals negative 18 equals b. So now I have my y-intercept. So now we're asked to find our x-intercept. We have our A and we have our B now. So we're using that formula. We have y equals ax plus b. We know that our y is 0 because if we have an x-intercept, we don't know what x is, but we know that y must be 0 because it's somewhere on the x-axis. So we know that y is 0. We know that A is 0.6. We don't know what x is, and then we know, oops, it's a negative, it's negative 18. So now the first thing we want to do is get our 18 over onto the other side. So we're going to add 18 on both sides. So that'll leave us with 18 equals 0.6x. Now remember, when a number is attached to a letter, we have to divide it to get rid of it. So now we're going to divide by 0.6 and divide by 0.6, and when we do that, 18 divided by 0.6, it will equal 30, meaning that our value of the x-intercept is 30.